how to unpin videos on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin a TikTok video just like this. Alright, so to unpin videos on TikTok, start by opening the TikTok app and navigating to your profile. Here, you will see your pinned videos at the top. Select the video you wish to unpin. Once the video is open, look for 3 horizontal dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on them. In the menu that appears, you will see an option labeled Unpin. Tap this option and a confirmation message will appear, indicating that the video has been successfully unpinned from your profile. If you want to unpin additional videos, simply repeat these steps for each one. Remember, TikTok allows you to pin up to 3 videos at any given time. If you want to pin a new video after unpinning one, just go back to your profile and select another video to pin. This feature helps keep your profile organized and highlights your most important content for viewers. Unpinning is just as easy as pinning, ensuring that you can manage your profile effectively and keep it fresh for your audience. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.